many times have you actually tried? 4. 4 times! What do you think? Should Clicky give up? Clicky, when I first tried to jump waves, I crashed so many times. Want to see? But I kept trying, and now you were determined. And Clicky, we're going to cheer for you every single try. Ready? Ready. Clicky, you did it! You did it! I did it! Wow, look at all those letters. Let's see what we can spell. Great job, Splash. You're determined. That's a great word. I'm determined. Yes, you are. That's right. You're a determined shark. Yay! Your challenge. Pick something you've been finding hard and try it 3 more times today. Drawing, riding a bike, tying your shoes, reading a tricky word, anything. And if a friend is struggling with something, be their cheerleader. Cheer them on. I'm a swimmer now. Today's word, determined. Not giving up, even when something is hard. You are more capable than you know. Keep trying. Stay kind, stay curious, and stay fantastic. See you in Coraville.